Chickpea channel, Trisha here, David behind the camera from Living Tech. Flash recipe, balsamic vinaigrette. 1 part oil, 1 part vinegar, a smidge of mustard. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. By the way, to make this even flashier, you don't even have to do 1:1. You can figure out if you like a different proportion. I like 1:1. I think most people like 1:1. So I got a 1/4 cup of oil. Don't worry, we're not gonna eat this all at once. Oh, I should have opened this to make it really flashy. I can't open it. Sorry. Okay, and another 1/4 cup of white balsamic vinegar. White balsamic vinegar makes it lighter. You can use dark if you want it to seem heavier and look dark, but I find white is nicer taste, lighter, because balsamic vinaigrette you're going to be using with the lighter kind of salad. Okay, now you need an emulsifier, in which in this case it's Dijon mustard. So that adds up to a 1/2 cup of liquid. For that much, I use what's technically known as a smidge, not a teaspoon. I'd say 1/2 teaspoon if you're needing to measure it, but I don't measure it. Okay, so like that. Whisk is just faster, but you could use a fork. Done. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much. See you next time.